I don't know who needs to hear this, but the lesson I learned during the pandemic was that change is inevitable. While I understood this, I quite didn't realize just how many changes I'd go through in 2023 until I reflect on it now in 2024. January and February was a cold and very depressing season. I found myself back in the job hunt while mourning the loss of my late mama and simultaneously given the best promotion, being an auntie to my sister's second baby. In true Pisces fashion, March was a season of various emotional roller coasters and constantly overthinking. Apartment hunting in April and May to prepping for a move, and with only 3 weeks of planning, my sister's surprise baby shower in June. July was the only month that reminded me that my lungs needed to inhale before it can continue to exhale. As I let out a big sigh, the rat race of life threw me another curveball that lasted until November. Throughout these ebbs and flows, I'd silently take videos and photos of recipes I'd make in the kitchen to even food joints around the city. And now, it's brought me back to what I love the most. Celebrating diversity through the universal language of food, sharing the stories of leaders and small business owners, and building a community online and offline. I founded Chikka Tikka Diaries for this very reason, to help me balance soothing my soul and my taste buds. And if in that process it also inspires you, then that's simply beautiful.